In this video, we're going to show you how to import customers and orders to Shopify from another platform. If you're moving your business from another e-commerce platform, bringing your customer and order data with you is essential. Importing this information allows you to preserve customer records, maintain purchase history, and continue serving existing customers without starting from scratch. Whether you're migrating from WooCommerce, Squarespace, BigCommerce, Magento, or another platform, Shopify supports several methods for importing customer and order data. The good news is that with properly formatted files or migration apps, the process is straightforward and can be completed with minimal downtime. By the end of this video, you'll know how to prepare your data, import customers and orders, and verify that everything transfers correctly. So, let's get started. The first method is to export your data from your current platform. Log into your existing e-commerce platform and export your customer and order information. Most platforms allow you to download this data as CSV files. If CSV export isn't available, you may need to use a migration app or third-party service. Next, review and prepare your files. Open the exported files in a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Check that important information like customer names, email addresses, phone numbers, order numbers, products, and totals is complete and properly organized. If necessary, adjust the column structure so it matches Shopify's required format or the format expected by your migration tool. Now import your customer data. From your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Customers and choose the Import option. Upload the CSV file and review the preview before confirming the import. Once completed, verify that customer profiles appear correctly in your Shopify admin. Next, import your order history. Depending on your migration method, order data may be imported using a dedicated migration app or another compatible tool. Follow the app's instructions to map order details, customer information, products, taxes, and payment status correctly. After the migration is complete, review several customer accounts and orders. Confirm that customer information, order history, product details, and totals have been transferred accurately. If any information is missing or incorrectly mapped, update your source file and repeat the import if necessary. Finally, perform a few test searches in your Shopify admin. Search for customers by name or email address and open several past orders to ensure everything is working as expected. In most situations, these steps are all you need to successfully import customers and orders into Shopify. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, export customer and order data from your existing platform. Second, prepare and import the files into Shopify or a compatible migration tool. And third, verify that customer records and order history have been imported correctly. Remember that accurate customer and order data helps maintain business continuity and provides a better experience for returning customers. Taking time to review your data before importing can help prevent errors and reduce cleanup later. And that's how to import customers and orders to Shopify from another platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who want to build a successful Shopify store. Your support helps us create more tutorials, e-commerce guides, and practical tips to help you grow your online business. If there's another Shopify topic you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.